In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bybit's peer-to-peer trading feature to buy and sell crypto safely using different payment methods like Revolt, PayPal, bank transfers, and more. But most importantly, I will also explain how to avoid scams because P2P trading can be risky if you don't know what to look out for. It can get tricky. And just a reminder, you don't have to use a computer. Trading from your smartphone is super convenient, especially for P2P transactions. If you want to learn how to trade from your phone, you know what to do. Bybit facilitates these peer-to-peer deals with 0% fees. But before we dive into a real example, let's first break down what P2P trading is and how it actually works, making it an attractive option for buying or selling crypto directly with other users. So let's say I want to sell Bitcoin and receive money in my Revolt account, for example. I can post an ad on Bybit and someone with money on Revolt can buy my Bitcoin. I get paid in Revolt and the buyer gets Bitcoin. So simple, right? But the key is making sure you don't lose money to scammers. So to start, you need a Bybit account. If you don't have one yet, check out the pop-up in the corner. It will take you to a step-by-step guide on how to sign up and get some extra benefits like deposit bonuses. Once your account is ready, go to the Buy Crypto section and select P2P trading. Here you will see that Bybit charges 0 fees, which is great. Now let's go step by step through the buying process. The first step is selecting the currency in which you want to make the deal. This is the fiat currency you will be using, such as USD, Euro, or any other supported currency. Choosing the correct currency ensures that you can use your preferred payment method without any additional conversion fees or unexpected complications. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Most people go for USDT Tether first because it's a stablecoin pegged to $1. This makes it to the most reliable option for the further trading as it doesn't fluctuate like Bitcoin or altcoins. USDT is widely accepted, making it easier to move funds across different platforms. Now, apply filters to narrow down your search. Choose your preferred payment method, whether it's Revolt, PayPal, SEPA, bank transfer, or another option. This ensures you find sellers who accept the payment method that's most convenient for you. Then, enter the amount you want to buy. This will filter out offers that don't match your budget, saving time and avoiding confusions. Once you've set your filters, you will see a list of people selling USDT or other cryptocurrencies. These sellers are ranked from best to worst rates, but don't rush to pick the first option. A good rate doesn't always mean a trustworthy seller. Before proceeding, check the seller's trade count, how many trades they have completed. A high number of trades suggests experience and reliability. More importantly, look at the success rate. A low success rate, such as 50%, is a major red flag and could indicate a scammer. So reputable sellers usually have a success rate of 90% or higher, meaning their transactions are smooth and trustworthy. You might be worried about scammers, but don't stress, it's not a gamble where you just hope for the best. Bybit has built-in protection, and as long as you follow some simple rules, you will be fine. Only trade with high-rated sellers, those with a lot of completed trades and a high success rate. If a seller has a low success rate, that's a red flag. Another major rule, never send money outside of Bybit's escrow system. The crypto stays locked in escrow until your payment is confirmed. So if someone asks you to send money directly, that's a scam. Be cautious of offers that seem too good to be true. For example, someone might offer you to sell USDT at a ridiculously good rate, like buying 1 USDT for just €1.5. Sounds amazing, right? Well, chances are they are using a stolen bank card. When the real owner notices and reports fraud, your transaction will be reversed and you will lose both your money and the crypto. Some scammers also try to play mind games. They will make up excuses, ask you to wait, or insist you can tag them on Telegram or WhatsApp. So the moment someone asks you to leave Bybit's chat, that's your sign to walk away. So here's the most important lesson. read everything. Seriously, take a moment and actually read two things. First, Bybit's guidelines. They remind you of the rules every time you open a deal. Second, the merchant's description. Before you even think about clicking buy or sell, check what they wrote. Some sellers have specific payment instructions, and if you ignore them, you might end up with a failed transaction. And finally, never leave Bybit's chat. Every single message should stay within Bybit. If anything goes wrong, support can only help if they see everything inside the platform. If you want to sell crypto and receive fiat money, the process is almost the same as buying, just in reverse. First, select sell instead of buy. Then choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Most often it's USDT or Bitcoin, since they are the easiest to trade. And next, set up your deal. Choose your preferred payment method, so bank transfer, PayPal, Revolt, etc., and enter the amount you want to sell. By the way, if this info saved you from a scam, you owe me a like. If it didn't, well, at least comment thanks before Bybit support rescues you. Now comes the most important part, picking the right buyer. Just like when buying, don't rush to accept the first offer. Once you find a reliable buyer and open the deal, wait for them to pay first. Never release your crypto before confirming that you actually received the money in your bank account or payment app. So don't just trust a screenshot. Go and check your balance yourself. When the payment is in your account and everything looks good, confirm receipt and release the crypto from the escrow. This final step completes the deal and the buyer gets their crypto while you safely receive a fiat. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Bybit has a built-in system to handle issues. Every deal has a timer and a deadline for when you should receive money if selling or send money if buying. Usually everything runs smoothly, but sometimes a buyer or seller might ask you to wait 30 minutes because of a bank delay or some other reason. That's normal. We're all human. Your money isn't stolen as long as the deal remains open. However, if the person starts playing mind games, constantly asking for more time, additional information, or acting suspiciously, and you start feeling uneasy, it's time to take action. You know, like when someone keeps asking you for a few more minutes, but you already know they're just stalling. Classic move, right? What do you think? Ever had someone pull that on you? Drop a comment if you have dealt with that kind of shady behavior. At the bottom of the trade screen, you will find the Submit Appeal button. This is how you notify Bybit that something isn't right. When you submit an appeal, you will need to record a 40-second video as proof, either showing that you sent the money but didn't receive the crypto, or that you now received the payment from the buyer. Once you submit the appeal, Bybit's team will review it and within 4 hours they will automatically decide what to do, either cancel the deal and return the funds or release the crypto to the buyer. That's it! Now you know how to trade safely on Bybit's P2P platform without getting scammed or losing money. Just remember, stick to the rules, choose reliable traders, keep all communication on Bybit, and don't rush into deals that seem too good to be true. If something goes wrong, the platform's protection system is there to help. Trade smart, stay cautious, and you'll have a smooth experience every time.